First, you need to turn on the battery because it has a separate switch that is wired. Okay, so this is the switch for the e-bike battery. Then behind this is a indicator. So also we have indicators on what is the current level. Currently we have 4 bars to indicate it is 100%, but right now it's 3 bars. So it's now around 75%. And since it is still off, you need to turn it on using this one. Okay, now it is on. Also you can see the battery indicator, the assist level, the speed, the total odo. So I've been with e-bikes for 30 kilometers right now. 300 kilometers already, and it was pure fun experience. So here you can change the pedal assist. You just need to press this plus. Yan, press. When you apply pedal, when you already apply pedal, the motor will run. So it's already running. When you stop pedaling, it means there's no input, so the motor stops putting power into the chain ring. So yep, that's it. And also I've installed this optional throttle, so this will also indicate that the wheels, without input from the pedals, you can push the bike using this throttle. So as you can see, assist 1 can max around 15, but the gearing, as you can see, it's still in the 3rd. So what happens when we shift? Let's wait. I need to shift the highest gear to check the maximum speed. Now that it's in the highest speed, highest cogs, so as you can see, it can already run 35 kilometers per hour. But this is without load, so ideally without load, but it will lower if you ride a bike because it's heavy. So when you increase it into pedal assist number 2, let's see. So it was previously 35, now it's 45. Ideally without load, huh? So that's a different kind when you say you're riding the bike and you're putting power in it. Okay, so for 1, 35, for 2, 45, for 3, it's not. Wow, 65, 66. So this is ideally without load. Oh. So this is how it runs full speed, pedal assist 3, and the motor is shouting already. But when you use the pedal assist 3, you will expect lower battery life as it is putting too much voltage, extracting power from the battery. So that's how fast the bike can go. So that's the 46 teeth chain ring, 65, actually 66 stops. So 66 kilometers per hour for the bike. itself. That's how fast it is, using the smallest cog available, which is 11 teeth. Okay, so yep, so let's try. So this is applying full power, and when you apply the brakes, this happens, so the power already stops. Okay, so that's how the top speed of the electric bike, going 66 kilometers per hour on no load, but ideally on the loading it is around 50 to 45 kilometers per hour. Okay, so see you around, guys, for more e-bikes.